Welcome to Exploration Tales Adventure. This adventure is prepared by planforadventures.com. In this video, we'll be looking at requirement number 1, the elements of a tale activity. No matter what type of story you are writing, the basic elements of a tale are the same. For this part of the adventure, we will learn about and work on basic elements of a tale. The materials that you'll need are your activity packet and art supplies. Let's take a look at some of the adventure skills that we're working on with this part of the adventure. Let's learn about the basic elements of a tale. First up are the characters. The characters are the people, animals, or beings that are acting in your story. Next is the plot. The plot is the overall theme of what your story is about. We then have the setting. The setting is where the story takes place. Next up is your conflict. In every story there's an issue the main character has to overcome. And finally, the resolution. The resolution is how the main character overcomes the conflict. Let's also take a look at the elements of an exploration tale. Exploration tales are stories about exploring somewhere. An exploration tale can be either fictional or non-fictional. So that means an exploration tale can be something that really happened, or it can be something that you're just making up. Finally, for an exploration tale, the conflict can be either an adversary that the main character has to overcome, or it can just be the main character overcoming an obstacle while exploring an area. For this part of the adventure, we'll be completing the elements of a tale activity. At home, we're asking that you collect the materials that you need for this part of the adventure, and start imagining elements that you'll use for your tale. At the meeting, we'll be completing the elements of a tale activity. If you're completing this activity at home, go ahead and share pictures of your elements of a tale activity. For this part of the adventure, make sure you preview the adventure. We'll be completing the elements of a tale activity. Make sure to take some pictures to share along the way. Ask your adult partner to check off on your activity packet, and we'll see you on the next part of this adventure.